In today's video, I will be telling you guys about the best ways to get dices and money in Monopoly Go. So the first way or the only way in my preference is to simply go to the Monopoly Go application and click on these three bars in the top right corner. Then from here, click on the shop option. Then from here, you can buy secure, valid dice rolls and money that you can use in the application. So yeah, this is the best way to get dices and cash in Monopoly Go. And I don't recommend this way, but if you don't have money, you can use it, but only on your own risk. Remember, only on your own risk is to buy simply seeing these websites that give out free dice roll links and cash links, and just simply pasting these links on your account. On your account? Sorry, please have patience with me. So yeah, pasting these links on your account, and yeah, just simply collecting them. But I don't recommend that because these websites are not insured by Monopoly Go official, and they make or can cause viruses in your mobile phone, making your phone less efficient in your daily uses. So yeah, that's pretty much it. These are the best ways to get dices and cash in Monopoly Go. That's all from my side. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and watch the video till the end.